my dear friends, my name is Raghav Rajput and I am going to show you how to make this paper airplane jet. It is a jet paper airplane. So now we will see how it flies. It glides smoothly. Now we will learn how to make this jet paper airplane. For this you will need one pair of scissors and A4 size plain paper sheet. First fold it in half vertically . Like this, and open it, and then match this edge to this crease like this. Then do the same thing on the other side, match this edge to this center crease. Like this. Now match this point to this point. And make the crease. Now match this edge to this center crease like this. And do the same thing on the other side also. Now what we have to do is we have to fold it like this, but for this make sure that here and at this side and at the other side also it forms a point. Then start folding. Now you have to fold it upwards like this by leaving this much space here. Now before folding it, turn it and match this crease and this crease. Like this, match first. First match this crease to this crease and then turn it. Now make the crease like this. Now fold it into half like this. Like this. And then open it. Now you have to fold its wings from by leaving only about 1 centimeter space here, and then make its wings. And do the same thing on the other side also. Now you can match this edge to this edge. Like this. Now fold it from here like this. And then do the same thing on the other side also. Fold it like this. Then open it completely. Now what the next step is, take your pair of scissors. Now what we have to do is we have to cut it from this part like this cut it and then cut it slantingly from here like this. Okay, now cut it and then cut it like this little bit. Now what we have to do is fold it on the other side like this. Now cut it from this side slantingly, only about few degrees slantingly, and cut it. Now fold it at like this way. Do the same thing on the other side. Fold both the wings. And then fold the end also like this here. Now open it. Now our plane is ready. Now we will see. How this one flies. See, this one will also fly goodly, nicely, and another one also. Thank you friends for watching my video, and please like and subscribe my video.